Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this new Glam doll Lipsense application for me, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button so to jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I thought I would hop on. I already did all of my makeup, and if you've been around for a while, you know that, a couple months ago, I got new Lipsense to me. It was on clearance in the last chance. I will put a link down below so that you can shop with my link, and once you click on that link, it'll take you to another page where you will click. It'll say my distributor's name at the top. That's totally fine. I still get the credit. And you scroll down to shop now, and it'll come up with all these bubbles. And there is Lipsense in the bubble last chance. And that's where I got it from, was the last chance. And then once you have all the stuff that you want, it has to be with a glass, so technically you could get a starter kit that's say for $30, $32 compared to $55. So that is an amazing deal. But once you have all of your stuff that you want, then you put it in the cart, you go to checkout. Right before you scroll down to click that checkout button, you want to click on preferred customer. That helps me, and it also helps you out of 10. You get 10% off all your purchases all year round. So let's say Synagents was having a sale on Lipsense, because this is what Lipsense is. And they were giving 15% off. If you use my link and my code, you would get an extra 10% off. If you spend, by clicking that box, and you spend $100, that helps me out a ton. It helps me bring new things to you guys and new products, and it helps me out greatly with a budget, because we all know it. Things are rising in price, and it's not fun. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. So I am applying Glam Doll Lipsense. I've applied it off camera, and I really, really liked it. If you do not know what Lipsense is a liquid lipstick that is equal up to 3 tubes of regular Lipsense. Once it's applied in 3 thin layers, your lips cannot touch. You can go back in and fix it up. Once it's applied, right, it is smudge-proof, kiss-proof, water-resistant. It is gluten-free, made in the U.S., lead-free, wax-free. It doesn't have any animal products in it. It's not tested on any animals. It's vegan, cruelty-free, lead-free, and wax-free. I think I already said that. But if you don't know what Lipsense is, it's a lipstick that lasts from 4 to 18 hours, and I can testify. Sometimes I'm really, really tired and I just fall asleep, and I know you're not supposed to do that by leaving your makeup on, but sometimes it just happens, and I wake up and it's still on, and that's over 18 hours. So we have mattes, we have shimmers, and frosty colors. So this is a matte. So before you start applying your 3 thin layers of Lipsense, you want to get a damp rag and wipe off all the makeup and the excess off your lips, because if you don't, it'll get in your lips and just not, your Lipsense won't last. So, and after the 3 thin layers, your lips cannot touch during this part. After the 3rd layer, you want to apply a glossy gloss with it. So this is a starter kit, regular $55, but I got this on last chance, like I said. So, and to remove it, you want to have an oops remover. That's like one of the best ways, only ways to remove it, and so that's $10. So, I already cleaned my lips off, and with the Lipsense, you want to go in the same direction that you first started. So, but once you apply the gloss, you don't have to go the same direction unless you want to. It can be applied anyway. So, here we go. And that clicking noise is actually a bead mixing up the color. And every time you apply it, if it's a brand new color, you want to shake it up. Even if you've used it 10, 20 times, you still want to shake it up before you apply it. So you want to shake it for about 30 seconds to make sure that it is all shook. I am like having the hardest time with doing videos today. I did a video on contour duo, and like it turned out good, but my wording and my like it was just all disboggled, so I have to do it all over again. And this eye look, like I did it on camera, you can go back and look at it. It's like simple, natural, smoky eye. That's what I'm gonna call it. Like, I totally messed up, but in the end, it looks so good. And I used our Shadow Sense. If you don't know what Shadow Sense is a cream base that turns to powder after 60 to 90 seconds. Once it is set into place, it is smudged with waterproof anti-aging skincare in it, hydrating, layerable, buildable, and it's so good for your skin, and you can use it for multiple things on your face. So here I go, and this is layer 1, and I don't know, it got messed up right there. There we go. I pulled down on it. This is like kind of old. So once you're going to apply, you want to make sure you wipe off the excess off the applicator. So here's layer 1. Okay, you just want to make sure that you swipe once. You don't go back and forth. Okay. Okay, that is layer 1. It should be so thin, but I did go back in. So you want to make sure that it's dry to the touch before you go in and add layer 2. So this, if you are doing your makeup off camera, this would be the perfect time to do your mascara or your brows or your blush or your contour. So, takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. If it's still sticky, it's not ready to apply. So, the packaging got messed up here. This normally does not have it. Okay, dry to the touch. Wipe off the excess. Okay. Totally messed up right there. Layer 2. Okay, this, I like it, but red is really hard for me to apply. Dry to the touch. Layer 3, the last layer. Last. Okay. Okay, that looks better. So I'm gonna wait. Not too sure of this. Okay, gonna wait. Sticky. So, there's nothing on my wand, okay? So, some colors take longer to dry than others. About 5 to 10 seconds. That's called the spit suck. That's what we call it. almost dry to the touch. See, I missed it right there. But practice makes perfect. And no one's perfect. So now I'm going to, it's a little bit sticky, but it's almost dry. Nothing on the wand. Sorry about that. Okay, once that's applied, to seal it in, you want to rub your lips together like that. And there's nothing on my hand right here. It's kiss proof. Nothing. Do you see that? Like if I wore regular Lipsense, it would totally come off. But the only thing that's coming off is my glossy gloss. That is it. So I'm going to clean up here and come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm back with the end result of this Glam doll Lipsense application. I really like the color, but I need to practice more getting it down right. But yeah, it's a pretty red burgundy color. We also have burgundy, but I might be sold out. But remember to click that link and to click the preferred customer little box so you can get 10% off and you can help me out greatly. So it's not my best color, but I like it. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell before you leave. And yeah, so that you can be notified of every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.